Somewhere out there, on a stretch of road in a town you've never heard of, there's a Chevy truck.
Clean up the damage left behind from severe weather yesterday.
And that truck is more than power and steel. Because the person who drives it, well, that's a Chevy person. You can tell who they are.
Let's go, hustle in.
Not by what they say or how loud they say it, but in the way they show up.
Really, Mom? Yep, let's go.
This is gonna be awesome.
They don't need a title to lead or permission to get going. They're the first to rise, the last to leave. They all have that little extra something. We need more of that something. Your sister in Amarillo, she's got it. Your buddy who's always jumping in, he's got plenty. The ones who proudly serve, they all got it. And maybe you got it too.